Temu affiliate program step-by-step tutorial. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you guys out on how Temu affiliate and influencer program works. So basically the process is just sharing out your existing link from the Temu official site. You will get referrals and that's the time that you earn commission. So the very first thing that you want to do is to access the Temu official website using your preferred web browser, and you'll have to create an account with Temu. And once you have successfully created your account, just head over directly to the bottom part of this website and go to the drop downs from company info and head over directly to affiliate and influencer earn commission. Now once you click that, this is gonna be your dashboard, which will be visible on your current earnings. So on the very first sign up that you have executed, you will be given out 100 pesos, and this is the currency that I have chose. Now how this works. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the part of this page in which you'll get 2,000 coupon bundles if you will share this and your new users will use this link right here. They can also get free gifts, exclusive deals for new app users, and save big amount of specific coupons for them to use it and take advantage if this or there is the first time that using this. So for you to be able to use this, we will tackle out the first thing to do. So we will be sharing out hot items. So what you want to need here is just choose on a specific product that you would like to share with your friends for them to have this item to their cart and order it. And once the order was successful, then you will earn commission depending on the amount of the specific product that you have shared. So for example, we will be sharing out this tactical zoom flashlight right here. Then just go ahead and choose on the share button. And these are going to be the partners or available platforms that you can share this product to. So you can share this to TikTok X and through Facebook, Instagram, and also Pinterest. Now, if the platform that you would like this product to be shared is not available here, then what you want to do is to save this specific image or just head directly to this option where you can download the tactical zoom flashlight, or depends on the product that you choose, and just click on this tab right here for you to be able to copy the link in which new users or buyers will click for them to be redirected to this product directly here. Now, as you can see, if they will place the item just directly to the Temu's official site, they will not take advantage with the exclusive deals discount. So instead of 44, then if they will be clicking this out, then they can go ahead and have the specific discount for them to use it. Now once the order was successfully placed, then that's the time that you can earn a specific commission, and again depending on the price value. But all of the products that they will be placing out is you'll get 30% out of the original price of the item. Now next thing to do, if you would like to share that item through Facebook, then what you want to need to do is just go back to hot items, then choose on the product you want, click on share, and in here just choose Facebook, and there's gonna be a pop-out page that is gonna be automatic asking you out to log into the Facebook that you would like to use to share this product. And again, they just have to click on the specific link and be redirected to Temu's site, in which they will be taking advantage the coupon that they will be getting, or the exclusive bundle discounts. Now the other thing that you can do is you can go ahead and recruit or share a specific link in which your friends or users would also like to get commissions out of sharing products from Temu. Now, for you to do that, all you have to do is just to scroll all the way down and then go to the referrals program right here. Then what you want to need is just click on share, and it's going to be the same thing that you want to do. It's either through Facebook, Pinterest, or any platforms that you choose. Or if you would like to customize the link, then what you need is just to copy the whole link, and by there you can customize it on any method or message context you would like to add on the link that Temu affiliate program is giving us out. Now again, once successful, you will be getting a specific amount of reward depending on how many users you will be or who will be clicking out those links. And you can just go ahead and monitor this page right here from Temu if the specific um, numbers from the users that you have recruited will automatically be visible here. Now, again, the minimum withdrawal amount is going to be 500 pesos depending on your currency. And if you would like to withdraw it, just go ahead and choose on withdraw. And their available withdrawal methods is going to be through PayPal or through Temu Credit, in which you can use it to order a certain products. So as you can see, 500 pesos minimum to withdraw, and there is no maximum limit for the overall fund that you have. So again, that's how the Temu affiliate and influencer program works. Now, if you don't want the custom links or the pre-made links that has already been made from Temu, right here, the default links, then you can choose to simplify the sharing effortlessly. Now, for you to share in Facebook groups, then just head over to this option right here, and you can choose to copy a specific link you want. So these are the existing Facebook links depending on what Facebook account that you have binded or synced from your Temu affiliate and influencer program on this site. Now you can just also send directly to your friends by clicking this option, and you can choose any of these links right here to copy, or you can just directly share it through their available platform that you can share. Now you can also add link to your bio from your Facebook page or from your Facebook post. You can customize any context you want from the message to your post and then just include this link for you to get a commission out of the users who will click these unique codes right here. And that's it. That's how the Temu affiliate and influencer program works.